Weeties Warehouse by Space Agency is a masterful fusion of industrial heritage and contemporary design, transforming a 1930s cereal factory in North Fremantle into a dramatic, light-filled family home where bold gestures, sculptural forms and material contrasts celebrating both the building's original volume and a modern spatial narrative.
Well, I think Fremantle and North Fremantle have got a lot of stock of warehouses historically, so that's where we find these kind of great gems that are ripe for reimagining. Originally it was a warehouse producing Weeties cereals, and I think it was operational all the way up until maybe the early 80s. This conversion for this project, we wanted to be able to read the original volume of the old warehouse and expose some of the original services and steelwork and elements that make it read like a warehouse. I think one of the really important elements of the space was the spiral stair. That's quite an important anchor and connection between all of the levels. And the ambition was to make it really sculptural and have a really strong presence everywhere you were in all the spaces. We worked really closely with the steel manufacturers in how to make it, and I really feel like it was really successful. Materials are really important in kind of creating the overall feeling of the space. We wanted to respond to the bones of the warehouse itself and extend the use of really robust materiality, but give it a little bit more finesse. We've used a lot of recycled jarrah, that adds a lot of warmth. Everywhere we've got polished concrete floors, and then we've tried to create really expressive elements out of steel in response to the sort of structural steel components of the existing warehouse. The clients were actually a family with 3 small children, and they went about buying the unit next door and then the unit next door to that, and had a great ambition to sort of create a family home in a converted warehouse. Well, as a family with 3 small children, one of the important things that they really wanted to get out of the project was a garden space where the children would be able to play in and out and be safe. The building itself has no real kind of spaces like that, and so we've kind of created it within inside-outside space. Yeah, I think that the experience on arrival would be one of surprise and delight. It's probably quite an unexpected sequence of arrival, that coming into a building that's a warehouse and then opening the front door into what is essentially a sort of almost like a greenhouse, like a garden. And then the way in which all of the sculptural elements of the space and the volume and the light creates this sort of welcoming and airy space, I think is probably its great strength.